Number 1. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 regular cab long bed, $3,400. Redlands, California. This rust-free 1982 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is an excellent restoration candidate with a straight body and a clean California title. Powered by a dependable Chevrolet 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, the truck currently needs only a fuel pump to become operational, as it briefly starts with fuel added manually. Having spent time in storage, it has avoided the corrosion that often affects trucks of this era. Square body Chevrolet pickups remain highly collectible thanks to their rugged design, abundant parts availability, and timeless styling, making this a solid investment for enthusiasts. Number 2. 1988 Toyota Pickup 22R, $2,000. Shafter, California. Offered by its original owner, this 1988 Toyota Pickup features the legendary 22R 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck benefits from numerous recent maintenance items, including a new timing set, timing cover, distributor, fuel pump, battery, fuel filter, and fan clutch. Its straight, rust-free body and stock configuration are major highlights. Although it currently will not pass California emissions testing, the dependable 22R engine has earned an outstanding reputation for durability, making this affordable pickup an excellent project with long-term potential. Number 3. 1962 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $4,500. Boyd, Texas. This desirable 1962 Chevrolet C10 fleet-side shortbed project comes equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, hooker headers, and several valuable replacement parts, including new rockers, a passenger bedside, grille surround, and front bumper. While it is missing its title and is sold with a bill of sale, the truck offers excellent restoration potential. The first-generation Chevrolet C10 has become one of the hottest classic truck platforms thanks to its clean styling and extensive aftermarket support. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet C30 2WD flatbed, $4,500. Aptos, California. This heavy-duty 1969 Chevrolet C30 flatbed is a practical classic, powered by a Chevrolet 350 V8, backed by the durable Turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives while benefiting from recently replaced wheel cylinders and a new brake master cylinder. With its clean title and functional flatbed, this C30 is ready for work while offering future restoration possibilities. Chevrolet's heavy-duty trucks from this period are admired for their toughness and simple mechanical design. Number 5. 1989 Ford F150 Lariat 4x4, $10,000. Scotts Valley, California. This well-maintained 1989 Ford F150 Lariat 4x4 has received a major mechanical refresh with a remanufactured Jasper engine carrying only 2,000 miles and backed by a transferable 100,000-mile warranty. Additional upgrades include new suspension components, tires, fuel injectors, headlights, spark plugs, cold air intake, and complete fluid service throughout the drivetrain. The classic OBS Ford platform continues to grow in popularity due to its rugged construction, comfortable interior, and excellent aftermarket support. Number 6. 1986 Ford F250 XL 460 4-speed 4-wheel drive, $8,500. Marysville, Washington. This family-owned 1986 Ford F250 XL features the legendary 460 cubic inch big block V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has no rust, no accident history, and recently received new worn locking hubs. Factory air conditioning simply requires a recharge, while the clean body and repaint help preserve its appearance. Although the odometer may have rolled over, this F250 represents one of Ford's toughest heavy-duty pickups, prized for exceptional towing capability and long-term durability. Number 7. 1988 GMC C5000 Flatbed Farm Truck, $6,300. Newberg, Oregon. Designed for serious work, this 1988 GMC C5000 Flatbed is powered by a reliable 350 cubic inch gasoline V8 connected to a heavy-duty Allison automatic transmission. Numerous recent maintenance items include a rebuilt distributor, starter, battery, spark plugs, air filter, and fresh oil service. The large 14-foot bed with integrated beaver tail and ramps makes it especially useful for transporting equipment. Minor cosmetic issues and a slow brake booster leak do little to diminish its value as a dependable commercial classic. Number 8. 1977 Chevrolet C20, $7,000. Tucson, Arizona. This running and driving 1977 Chevrolet square body C20 recently received servicing for both its engine and transmission, with documentation available. Although the body requires restoration work, the truck remains mechanically functional and presents an excellent foundation for a classic project. Square body Chevrolet trucks continue to enjoy tremendous collector demand due to their timeless styling, simple mechanics, and strong aftermarket support. Number 9. 1965 Ford F100, $14,500. Las Vegas, Nevada. This attractive 1965 Ford F100 remains powered by its original 352 cubic inch V8 and retains its factory 3-speed manual transmission. While not intended as a show vehicle, it offers dependable driving characteristics and authentic vintage appeal. Second-generation F-Series pickups have become increasingly difficult to find in honest, unmodified condition, making this truck especially appealing to collectors seeking originality over excessive customization. Number 10. 1985 Dodge D50 4-wheel drive, $995. Sisters, Oregon. This affordable 1985 Dodge D50 4-wheel drive presents an inexpensive entry into classic compact truck ownership. Equipped with a manual transmission, it requires a clutch replacement, although a new clutch assembly is included with the sale. Developed during the partnership between Dodge and Mitsubishi, the D50 has become increasingly appreciated for its reliability, compact dimensions, and growing collector interest among vintage import truck enthusiasts. Number 11, 1969 Chevrolet C10 Pickup, $9,995, Spokane, Washington. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 V8 and automatic transmission, this 1969 Chevrolet C10 runs and drives well while offering outstanding restoration potential. The seller describes the truck as having excellent structural integrity, making it an ideal candidate for either preservation or customization. Second-generation C10 pickups remain among the most desirable American classic trucks because of their attractive styling, reliable drivetrains, and virtually limitless aftermarket parts availability. Number 12, 1962 Ford F100 shortbed stepside, $7,200, Bernalillo, New Mexico. This 1962 Ford F100 stepside project combines classic styling with tasteful upgrades, including a 289 V8, C4 automatic transmission, HEI ignition, one-wire alternator, and a nearly completed, painless wiring harness installation. The truck runs, drives, and stops while maintaining its original straight axle suspension, giving it authentic vintage character. Its clean title and solid mechanical foundation provide an excellent opportunity for either a nostalgic driver or an eye-catching gasser-style build. Number 13, 1972 Chevrolet C10, $12,000, Longmont, Colorado. This upgraded 1972 Chevrolet C10 features a strong 350 small block V8 paired with the rugged SM465 manual transmission. Mechanical improvements include new fuel system components, power steering conversion, suspension upgrades, drop spindles, fresh wheels and tires, and a Bluetooth-equipped retro-style stereo. The final year of the Action Line C10 series is highly desirable among collectors, and this truck successfully blends classic styling with modern drivability. Number 14, 1985 Chevrolet K20 Silverado, $15,000, Colville, Washington. This exceptionally maintained 1985 Chevrolet K20 Silverado has been carefully owned for more than 15 years and features the dependable 6.2-liter diesel engine backed by a TH400 automatic transmission and NP208 transfer case. Premium drivetrain upgrades include Eaton TrueTrack locking differentials front and rear, rebuilt fuel injection components, worn manual hubs, and heavy-duty axles. This truck combines outstanding off-road capability with reliable street manners, making it an ideal choice for collectors who value both originality and functionality. Number 15, 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C10 long bed, $12,500, Bonney Lake, Washington. This one family-owned 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C10 stands out for its originality, retaining its factory paint, matching numbers appearance, and only 86,000 original miles. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 with a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission, it offers comfortable cruising with factory air conditioning and tilt steering. Rust-free sheet metal and careful indoor storage greatly enhance its value, making it a highly desirable survivor from the popular square body era. Number 16, 1980 Chevrolet Silverado StepSide, $12,800, Dublin, California. This rare second-owner 1980 Chevrolet Silverado StepSide is an exceptionally original example featuring a Chevrolet 350 V8, automatic transmission, dual fuel tanks, factory air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power steering, power brakes, and an attractive wood bed. The straight rust-free body, original rally wheels, clean title, and included spare parts add further value. StepSide square body trucks have become increasingly collectible due to their distinctive styling and limited production, making this a standout opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an unmodified classic.